Gap Goodies new exhaust. Been waiting for this for about 2 weeks now. So let's open her up and have a look. What's in there? Let's have a look in here first. Heat shield, nuts and bolts, oil protector, baffle. Oh yeah, and I've got, now you can tell what exhaust I've got. I've got a Wings t-shirt. It's cool, isn't it? Hopefully it fits. Oh, yeah, so we've got that. Put that there. And back in there. Now for the unboxing. Let's see. Like unwrapping gold. Wow, beauty. She even smells new. Take that out of the way. Look at that. God. What a monster. So it's a lot smaller than the original and probably lighter. Yeah. So you can see it's a proper original exhaust because it's not got a sticker, got the imprint, and it's got the proper tag on the back. So happy days. Titanium as well. So let's go get it on the bike. Right, well I've got changed and we're out in the garage again. So first of all, let's do a sound test on the stock exhaust. So that's stock one. Doesn't sound bad, but let's get on with fitting the other one and let's see how that sounds. Right, well the exhaust is on. It looks miles better. This is shouting me now. So you get this nice looking carbon fibre shield, extra one there. Well, these I didn't realise, but these Wings exhausts come with two baffles. So obviously that's, I don't know if you can see it, that's got no baffling. Then you get this one, and then this one. Obviously this has got the holes there. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a sound test on them all and see which one we're going to keep. There you have it. Sounds awesome. I think I'm going to stick with the middle baffle for now. I do like the sound of it with no baffle, but I think it could get a little bit annoying on the road. So yeah, hope you like the video, hope you like the sound, hope you like the exhaust. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. Remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye bye.